Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Happy Monday. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you what we had for dinner all last week. This was a requested video that I wasn't sure I was going to share, but I thought why not, we'll give it a try and see if you guys like these type of videos from me. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below so I can kind of gauge whether or not this is a type of video you want to see from me. So when I shared my grocery haul and meal plan for the week last week, it definitely changed up a bit since I totally forgot that it was 4th of July week, but I still went ahead and recorded what we had for dinner this week, and hopefully we'll give you some inspiration for your Monday as you're planning meals and grocery shopping and getting ready for the week. All right, crazy Sunday around here. Everybody's going nuts in the background, but I want to show you what we're having for dinner tonight before it starts cooking, just so I can show you kind of how I assemble it all. This is a crock pot meal. I'm obsessed with my new crock pot. I got this for a way belated Mother's Day gift because it took forever to get here from Williams-Sonoma, but it is an all-clad crock pot and it's a 7-quart and I'm obsessed with it. It's just amazing. But tonight we are having a roast for dinner in the crock pot. I typically make this every week on Sundays just because it's a really good, like, family-friendly meal. Everybody loves it and it feeds a ton of people. So this here is a bottom round roast. It says like oven roast on my packet. I like to get the oven roast more than the pot roast because they just cook up better in the crock pot. But this is about 3.5 pounds. I usually go anywhere from 3 to 4 pounds of a roast. So I have over here in the crock pot already, I chopped up all of our veggies. Sorry, a little blurry there. My favorites are these baby gold potatoes. I always get the small ones because they're just, I don't know, they're so much better, and I just have them and throw them in there. I have a whole onion in there. I have a ton of garlic cloves, and I have 1 fresh jalapeno chopped up. I took the seeds and everything out of the inside. Just adds really good flavor at the bottom. I have a couple of carrots and celery. It's just really as many vegetables as you can fit in your crock pot, and whatever kind that you like. These are our favorites. So again, I have carrots and celery, potatoes, onion, garlic, and jalapeno in there. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper here on top, just for a little bit of extra flavor. Doesn't need too much salt though. I usually salt it more when it comes out, like you can kind of salt to taste. And then I'm gonna put the roast here right on top of the veggies, add about a cup of water, and then I'm going to top it with this Lipton onion soup mix. I don't typically use the entire packet, but almost the whole thing depending on the size of the meat, because I just kind of pat around it and put all of the yummy like flavor from that on top of there. So I'll show you what it looks like when I'm Monday night, and I am starting dinner tonight. We are having the chicken and rice bowls. So I have some of the toppings over here that I'm just gonna start chopping up and washing and getting ready to layer the bowls. I just have some fresh cilantro, avocados, some corn, and black beans. This is the chicken that we're using. It's just some organic chicken tenders. I already have the first batch over here on the stove cooking away. I just have them seasoned with a little bit of this Montreal steak seasoning. It's so good and super easy. And then I have them cooking in some of that avocado oil back there. For the rice, I normally do my rice in the Instapot because it makes a ton and it's super easy. But back here in the back, I just have a box, if I can grab it here, of the cilantro lime Zatarans. Never actually tried this before, so I'm excited to see what it tastes like. It's just gonna go to layer the rice bowl. So I'll go ahead and show you guys the process and let you know what the bowls look like when they're all layered and ready to eat.
Every change
For dinner, we are having Taco Tuesday. I have ground turkey over here, all cooked up, and this is actually leftover from last night: rice, cilantro, corn, and beans. This is a homemade pico, and then I have all the toppings over here. Super easy Taco Tuesday. All right, so tonight for dinner is a little bit different than what I had planned earlier in the week. My husband and I are actually going out to eat unexpectedly, and we have a sitter for the kids, so I decided to just cook up a really quick smoked turkey sausage jambalaya for dinner. It's really easy. It's just this Zatarain's jambalaya mix in a box. It has all the rice and the seasonings that you just add to whatever type of meat that you want, shrimp or chicken or sausage. We like the pre-cooked turkey sausage links, so I actually have 2 of those in here. So I have 2 pounds of sausage with the mix instead of the 1 pound that the box calls for, but it cooks up just fine. So right now I just have it simmering and cooking up for the kids, and then like I said,
always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone.
Tonight is a pizza night in our house. We ordered from a local kind of pizza place that we've never actually ordered from before, so I'm excited to see what these pizzas look like. I went ahead and splurged and got some dessert because Mama wanted it, let's be real. So we have some icing down here and some cinnamon bread. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be so good. But I wanna know obviously what the pizza looks like. So we got 2 different ones. This is a super like cheesy pizza, but it has bacon and tomatoes and feta, and it's like a garlic crust. So I got this one kind of for the hubby and I, but it looks really good with those big tomatoes on it. So we have that one. And then for the kiddos, they wanted pepperoni and a meat lover. So we did kind of a little half and half. This half here has pepperonis. This half has bacon and ham and meatballs. So that's what they're going to have, and we're gonna eat the other one. And then this yummy dessert over here. So that is what is for dinner tonight.